Welcome to the Graphs Guide on how to acquire GRT on Ethereum, then bridge that GRT from Ethereum to Arbitrum, where it can be used within the Graph protocol. There are multiple platforms where you can acquire GRT, depending on your preference for decentralized or centralized exchanges. Let's start with the walkthrough on how you can acquire Ethereum GRT on Coinbase, then bridge your GRT from Ethereum to Arbitrum, where it can then be used in the Graph ecosystem. Coinbase is a popular centralized exchange in North America and parts of Europe that's user-friendly and perfect for beginners. To get GRT on Coinbase, follow these steps. First, create an account on Coinbase and complete the KYC process. Second, purchase GRT using your preferred payment method. Third, once you have GRT in your Coinbase account, transfer the GRT to your self-custody wallet, such as your MetaMask. From there, you could begin the bridging process by going to bridge.arbitrum.io. In this walkthrough, we will only be focusing on buying and bridging GRT. However, you will also need ETH on Ethereum and Arbitrum to pay for gas fees. If you do not have ETH on Ethereum and Arbitrum, repeat these same steps with ETH instead of GRT. Be aware that this bridging process takes about 15 minutes. Make sure that you keep the tab open and see that the bridging process has successfully completed. Another option to acquire GRT is through Uniswap. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that allows you to swap tokens directly from your wallet without the need for a central authority. To get GRT on Uniswap, follow these steps. First, connect your wallet, such as your MetaMask, to Uniswap. Second, purchase ETH on Ethereum. You will then be able to bridge this ETH to Arbitrum, then swap the ETH for GRT. Regardless if you used Coinbase or Uniswap, you now have GRT on Arbitrum, which means you can now start using that GRT in the Graph ecosystem. Other platforms to consider to acquire GRT include Cow Protocol, SushiSwap, Bancor, Matcha, and Binance. Whether you prefer the control and privacy of a decentralized exchange or the convenience of a centralized exchange, these platforms provide you with multiple options to get your GRT onto Arbitrum and then begin using the GRT in the Graph protocol. Now that you have GRT on Arbitrum, you can begin using GRT in the Graph ecosystem. GRT is the native work utility token of the Graph network, and it plays a crucial role in various activities within the ecosystem. Here are the primary ways you can use your GRT. First, you can delegate to indexers. You can delegate your GRT to indexers who operate nodes on the Graph network. By doing so, you contribute to the network security and efficiency while earning a portion of the rewards generated by the indexers. To learn more about delegating GRT, check the links in the description below. Second, you can curate subgraphs. Curators use GRT to signal which subgraphs are valuable and which should be indexed by the network. Staking GRT on specific subgraphs help guide the indexers and earn curation rewards. Third, paying for query fees. As a dApp developer, or simply someone curious about data generated by protocols and dApps, you can use GRT to pay for queries made on the network. Just know that 100,000 queries per month are free, and any queries after that must be paid in GRT or by credit card. These functions make GRT a versatile token within the Graph ecosystem, supporting both the network's functionality and its participants. For more detailed guides on using GRT within the Graph ecosystem, check out the links in the description. If you have any questions, our community is ready to help in the Graph's Discord. Thanks for watching and have a great day.